Hey Focus Finder fam, welcome back to the channel. So I was scrolling through comments yesterday, and one question kept popping up. All the good niches are already taken. How do I stand out when someone else is already doing exactly what I want to do? I get it. You find a niche you love, you search YouTube or Google, and boom, there's already 100 creators doing the same thing. It's easy to feel like you have to copy what they're doing just to keep up. But here's the truth. Copying competitors is the fastest way to blend in and get ignored. And today, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to make your niche 100% unique to you, even if it feels like every angle's been covered. Why copying doesn't work. First, let's talk about why copying competitors is a dead end. When you copy someone else's style, topics, or approach, you're telling your audience, I'm just like everyone else. And people don't subscribe to just like everyone else, they subscribe to you. I worked with a creator last year who wanted to start a fitness channel for women. She was copying all the big fitness gurus, same workouts, same outfits, same language, and got zero traction in 6 months. Then we helped her add her unique twist. She's a night shift nurse and a new mom, so she focused on quick fitness for new moms who work nights. Suddenly, she went from 0 to 10K subscribers in 3 months, because she was the only one serving that specific group. So copying keeps you small, but adding your unique touch makes you indispensable. Let's get into how to do it. Now, let's discuss 5 ways to make your niche truly unique so viewers have a reason to choose your channel over everyone else's. Stick around till the end. I have a free gift that will help you map out your unique niche in minutes. Let's dive in. Way number 1, narrow your audience to a specific group. Let's have an example. Generic, travel, better, budget travel. Unique, budget travel for community college students who live in dorms. See the difference? Instead of competing with every travel channel on YouTube, you're the go-to expert for one specific type of traveler. Let's take another example. If you want to do plant-based cooking, generic plant-based cooking. Unique, plant-based cooking for people with food allergies who live alone. Your unique angle is the group you serve. Ask yourself, who is being left out of the current conversation in this niche? Maybe it's seniors, or people with disabilities, or single parents, or people on really tight budgets. The smaller your audience focus, the less competition you'll have, and the more loyal your fans will be. Way number 2, add your personal background or story. Way number 2, infuse your personal background or story into your niche. Nobody else has lived your life. Your experiences, challenges, successes, and even failures are 100% unique to you. Use them. I know a creator who does personal finance content, but her twist is that she's an immigrant who moved here with nothing and built a 6-figure business. She talks about things no other finance channel covers, like navigating credit scores as a new resident, sending money home, and finding side hustles that work for new immigrants. Now it's your turn. Think about your own story. What have you experienced that could make your niche unique? Then answer these 3 simple questions. Did you overcome a challenge related to your niche? Do you have a unique job, culture, or lifestyle that shapes how you approach it? Did you learn something the hard way that you can teach others? Your experiences are what make your content different. The more authentic your perspective, the more memorable your channel becomes. When I started my own channel, I leaned into my own story. I was an idea hoarder who had 12 different projects going at once before I finally found my focus. That's why my content feels so relatable. I've been where you are. Way number 3, change the format or delivery. Way number 3, change the format or how you deliver your content. Even if your topic is similar to others, you can stand out by doing it in a totally different way. Let's have an example. Everyone else does talking head fitness tutorials while you do fitness challenges with your friends or animated explainers. Another example, everyone else does written recipe blogs, while you do cooking while telling stories videos or live cooking Q&As. Third example, everyone else does stock market analysis, while you do interactive game shows, where viewers guess stock trends. One of my favorite examples is a book review channel. Instead of just talking about books, she dresses up as the main character and reviews the book in character. They have many subscribers, all because she changed the format. Ask yourself, how could I deliver this information in a way nobody else is? Maybe you use humor, or animation, or live demonstrations, or even turn it into a podcast-style conversation. Way number 4, Focus on a unique problem, or pain point. Way number 4, focus on a problem others are overlooking. Most creators focus on the big, popular topics in their niche. But there are always smaller, more specific problems that people are searching for solutions to, and many of those questions have little or no quality content available. Instead of trying to compete with everyone else, solve a problem that others are overlooking. When you become the go-to creator for a specific pain point, you naturally stand out and attract a loyal audience. Let's say you want to do gardening content. Everyone talks about growing vegetables in backyards. But what about people who live in apartments with no outdoor space at all? Or people who travel a lot and can't water their plants? Or people with bad backs who can't bend over to garden? Another example in the social media niche, everyone talks about growing followers. But what about people who want to use social media to find clients without posting every single day? Or people who hate being on camera and want to build a brand with just text and graphics? To find these unique problems, go to forums like Reddit or Facebook groups in your niche and read the comments. What are people actually asking for help with that nobody's answering? Way number 5, combine 2 unrelated niches. This is one of my favorite ways to create a truly unique niche. Take 2 topics that don't usually go together and combine them into something fresh. That's where innovation happens. Instead of competing in one crowded niche, you create a unique position by blending 2 interests, skills, or audiences. The result is content that's different, memorable, and much harder to copy. Let's have an example. Video games plus cooking equals gaming-themed meals for streamers. Another example, yoga plus technology equals yoga for people who work at desks all day. Third example, history plus fashion equals clothing styles from ancient civilizations and how to wear them today. I know a creator who combined magic tricks with business presentations. She teaches people how to use simple illusions to make their work presentations more engaging. He's now booked for corporate events all over the world because nobody else is doing what he does. To try this, list out your top 3 interests or skills, then mix and match them. For example, if you love knitting and horror movies equals horror movie-themed knitting patterns. Another example, if you love cars and budgeting equals how to maintain your car on a tight budget. The possibilities are endless, and you'll automatically be the only one in your new combined niche. Before you go, let's do a quick recap of all 5 ways to make your niche 100% unique. The 5 ways to make your niche 100% unique. Way number 1, narrow your audience to a specific group. Way number 2, add your personal background OR story. Way number 3, change the format, OR delivery. Way number 4, focus on a unique problem, OR pain point. Way number 5, combine 2 unrelated niches. Now it's your turn. What niche are you working on? And which of these 5 ways will you use to make it unique? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to read your ideas. All right, and here's the free gift I promised. You've got 5 ways to make your niche 100% unique. To help you put this all together, I've created the Focus Finder Unique Niche Mapper. It's a free worksheet that walks you through each of these steps so you can map out your unique niche in less than 15 minutes. Your free copy is waiting for you. Just click the link in the description below to download it. If you can't access the link, simply leave your email address in the comments, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps other people find this content too. And don't forget to subscribe to Focus Finder and ring the bell so you never miss a tip to help you find your focus and hit your target. I'll see you in the next one.